What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Gringo Garage, and today we're going to be doing another one of them Amazon gadgets. This one is by Fanttik. This is going to be a tire inflator. See on the side here, it's supposed to do cars. Looks like paper airplanes. No, I'm just kidding. It's a manual mode. You got car mode, motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, and like if you want to air up like a soccer ball, basketball, football, whatever, it has a mode for that. We'll open it up, and right inside is looks like the tire inflator, which feels pretty solid. I guess you can mistake this for a Bluetooth speaker, but it's not. And you got the nice protective cover, which everybody loves to peel off. So there you have it, nice screen. Let's go ahead, there's a power button in the middle. Let's check out the screen on this. So here you have it. So right here, the left button, it turns on a flashlight. Push it again, a flashing light. Okay, third time, turns it off. You hit the right area, that's manual mode. Hit it once, now you see there's a little car. Hit it again, motorcycle, bicycle, and ball. And then this will automatically adjust your PSI that you want. Luckily today I have to go to the dump and the truck has a flat tire. So we're gonna go to the vehicle, and I believe that tire is supposed to be at like 40 to 50, I think it's a 50 PSI tire. I'll double check. All right, so this truck is 50 PSI max, so we'll go ahead and set it at 50. Just like that, so it is set. So now all you have to do is push the on button and it'll start pumping. I gotta get the hose out, which honestly, even this close away, it sounds just like every other air compressor. It's a little noisy, but not that bad, honestly. So let's go ahead and get to the box and see what else is in there. So it does have a USB Type-C charging cable, the adapter to put your air up your ball, and also this little Schrader valve. So it's just an extra one of these that goes on the end. So let's go ahead, we're gonna plug it in this truck, set it at 50 PSI, maybe do a little time lapse of it and see if this thing will work. So here you have it, and it just screws right in. Just like that. What's nice about this is it's small, compact, holds a good charge. I think the flashlight on here lasts, it says 48 hours of flashlight use, but as far as tires go, I mean, you could probably air up a whole car, you know, a regular size car, but since they're big, I think they're 20-inch rims, and then they're bigger truck tires. So it did one truck tire at least right now. I'm pretty sure it will do two, which probably equals, 4 small tires. It does have a 28.86 watt battery. That's why it can do that. So you can tell it's pretty hefty. And it says it is rated, I'm going to read some of the stuff that it says on the back. So it's rated from 3 to 150 PSI. That's what this thing's capable of. It does have a USB Type-C charger. And then also you could charge your phone with the USB right on the back as well. So that's pretty nice. So it says it's less than 80 decibels at 3 meters, or less than a meter, and this thing blows out at 32 liters per minute. That's how much airflow this thing goes through. And yeah, it's smart. I put it at 45 PSI just because we were just testing it out, and I didn't want to wait super long, but it got up there fairly decent amount. It probably took about 10-15 minutes to fully inflate that tire, but it did it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to charge this up, put it in my daughter's car, because she's 17 years old. She's out driving by herself. If she ever gets a flat, all you got to do is just plug it into the tire, push the button, and you're good to go. because some of those tire inflators, you need a 12-volt outlet inside the car, whether it be from like the cigarette lighter or something like that, and some of them actually plug onto the battery. But whatever's the easiest for my child driving around, that's what I'm gonna do for her. And also, what if your car, for some reason, a fuse blows for that 12 volt outlet, then it's no good. But you still can use this no matter where you are. You could throw this, in anything. You want to just pack it in your bag and use it to air up your inflatables or whatever, your football, basketball. You want to use it for the bicycles, It does it all, so which is nice. Makes it nice that it's battery and compact. It is a little pricey. I think it's like around 120 bucks. I'll put a link in the description on Amazon, but definitely worth keeping it in, your car around the house. Makes it so much easier. And then if you want to, I had another gadget I checked out, which was a jump starter. So you could also throw in the car, which is also a battery bank. You plug on the battery and it fires. You can watch me on the video. I'll put the link in the description. But I actually jump start my car with no battery in it at all with that thing. So anyways, hope you like this quick video on this pretty sweet little tire inflator from Fanttik. So get you guys one. Or just give it a thumbs up, like the video, because I haven't made a video in a long time and now I'm rambling on. So we're just gonna cut it there. See you guys on the next one.